I'm not using my frog cam today, but today I'm going to be showing you where all the dragon pearl thingies are. So if you can't find the fifth one, I'm about to show you. I'm not going to do an intro and all that stuff, but here it is. I'm going to leave a thing right here. Skip to this part if you want to know the fifth one, because nobody knows where the fifth one is. Yeah, skip to that part that says. So yeah. But this is the first one. I don't know all of them in order, but one's up here at the hot tub. And the new map right here. This is the fourth one. Just go back right here. Put it in. And go down. We go over here. Go down in here. Here's another one. And we're gonna go ahead and already go to the next one. It's up here. The next one's up here. Right here. This is the second one. Sorry, guys. Okay. Then you're gonna need a light for this next one. This light. It's up to you which light. You don't need a big flashlight. Go up into this pipe. Here's another one. Another one. Put it in. We need another one. The other one's up here. Don't need this anymore. This one's up here. Third one. It's gonna be a really short video. Right there. Then the final one everyone's been looking for, the fifth one. You wanna get a grappler, or if you wanna do parkour, but you wanna go up here. You wanna go kinda near that pipe up here, and then there it is. It's right here. The fifth one, and then you go down. Put it in. Sometimes it won't spawn, by the way. And boom. You have the new dragon back. Comes up like that. I don't know how much space this has, but you don't save it in here. I don't know why. But yeah, this is the new dragon backpack. Hopefully you like the new dragon update backpack thingy. So yeah. By the way, I wanted to say something. Go join my Discord, like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video. Because Mr. Jaden and me, we couldn't find the fifth one, but we finally found it. I don't know if I'm gonna post the YouTube short we made, but go ahead, go join my Discord. If you just check the description, scroll down a little, it should say join my Discord and my Discord profile. So yeah, hope you enjoy that new backpack. Like and subscribe.